Basic Microeconomics. What is microeconomics? Microeconomics is a social science that studies the implication of incentives and decision. Specifically, how those affect the utilization and distribution of resources. Microeconomics shows how and why different goods have different values. Kung paano nagsasagawa at nakikinabang ang mga individual at negosyo mula sa mahusay na produksyon at pagpapalitan, at kung paano pinakamahusay na nakikipag-ugnayan at nakikipagtulungan ng mga individual sa isa't isa. Sa pangkalahatan, ang microeconomics ay nagbibigay ng mas kompletong detalye ng pag-unawa kaysa macroeconomics. For the low demand, as price rises, it happens when the quantity demand goes down. Example of microeconomics: how a local business decides to allocate their funds. How a city decides to spend the government surplus. The housing markets of a particular city or neighborhood. And lastly, production of a local business. Basic concepts of microeconomics. The study of microeconomics involves several key concepts including but not limited to incentives and behaviors. How people as individuals or in firms react to situations with which they are confronted. Utility theory. Consumers will choose to purchase and consume a combination of goods that will maximize their happiness or utility, subject to the constraints of how much income they have available to spend. Price theory. Utility and production theory interact to produce the theory of supply and demand, which determine prices in the competitive markets. Sa isang perpektong mapagkompetensyang market, ito ay nangunguha or nanghihinuha sa mga presyo na hinihingi ng mga mamimili, kapareho ng ibinibigay ng mga producer. Nagreresulta ito sa equilibrium ng pang-ekonomiya. Supply is the amount of product that a company can provide to customers at a specific price. Ang dami ng produkto na maibibigay sa isang kampanya sa mga customer sa isang particular na presyo. Demand is the customer's desire to purchase a product at that price. Ang pagnanais ng consumer or customer na bilhin ng produkto sa presyong iyon. Supply and demand work together to create a balanced and competitive market. Building a foundation. Economics and individual decisions. Market. An arrangement or institution that brings together buyers and sellers of a good service. Marginal analysis. Analysis that involves comparing marginal benefits and marginal costs. Objective. The objective is the goal or desired outcome of a choice. Number one objective is individual may try to maximize utility given the constraints of income, time, prices, and etc. Number two objective is firms that may have objectives such as the maximization of profits, sales, market shares, etc. or the minimization of costs per unit. Number three objective is the social objective. It is to maximize the well-being of the members of society. Economic system. In economic system, we have a command economy. Command economy is an economy in which a central government either directly or indirectly sets output targets, incomes, and prices. In economic system, we have a mixed economy. It is an economic system that incorporates mixture of private and government ownership of control, or a mixture of capitalism and socialism. In the economic problem, we need to recall the three basic questions facing all economic systems. Number one is, what gets produced? 2. How is it produced? And 3. Who gets it?